Hey, wait, naman. Come on, man.
Spana no sa kia kutanda ndito mfuna
Ish.
misi yote
Come on.
hote ndito imano yeah ndito mutokome misi yote hote ndito imano yeah my yogi Never yogi.
Hey.
Spana no sa Mama yogi. Hey, spana no sa kia kutanda.
One more time.
Mama yogi. Hey, yogi.
Yo.
Hey, spana no sa
My father, my kid again.
kia kutanda.
Kababari.
Ah!
Yeah.
That was Vuri.
Yes.
I enjoyed it. It was pleasant, just sweet, just beautiful. I don't understand a single word, but it enters me. I'm just hoping to be versatile because this competition needs versatility. Then you could.
I want to commend your songwriting. It's catchy. It's beautiful.
What do you think, Randall?
Look, I mean, I think it was great, but my only concern would be, and I mean, it goes for every contestant, you have to